Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a great day. If you want to see how I achieved this beautiful look, let's cook together. Did I actually use red oil or normal oil? So join me, let's cook. So first of all, I'm soaking these beans for about 2 hours before boiling. So this is the boiled beans now. In boiling the beans, I added onion to it so it can get softer little. So right now I'm adding vegetable oil. Add your onion. Give it a stir. Add fresh chili pepper. Add pepper paste. Yes, this is the magic. For your beans to be red, like looking like red oil, you can add pepper paste to achieve that look. When you stir together. Look at you add 3 seasoning cubes, salt, paprika, ginger powder, garlic powder, sorry, ginger powder, curry powder, and stir. Add mixed veggie spices. It's optional if you want. Add water to it so that it won't get burnt. Give it a stir from the bottom. So right now you can add the cooked beans. Just take a look at this color. You add water to it. So anyone watching this video from halfway, they'll think maybe I use red oil to cook those beans, but no. If you don't have red oil, you can still improvise. Use pepper paste. You add crayfish. You give it a stir. You cover it for about 15 to 20 minutes. You have to check from time to time so that the bottom won't get burnt. Give it a stir. Stir from the bottom. So right now I'm adding carrots to the beans. Adding carrot is optional if you want. Me, I love adding carrots in most of my foods because carrot is one of my favorite veggies. And you add spring onion, give it a stir. Cover it for 5 minutes. Yes, the beans is ready right now to be served. So ready right now. Just take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching, for taking your time to watch this video. Please like, share and comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Have a great and wonderful day ahead. Bye.